Hi there, let's take a look at completing step number 4 from the business unit number 2. So in step 4, we're going to calculate the percentage of sales for the women's clothing line, and then we'll move on and calculate the percentage of sales for the men's clothing line. This math depends on the previous steps being done correctly, so let's just go up and take a look. Previously, we had to calculate the total for the entire women's clothing line for quarter 1. So that's sitting here in cell B17, and then we carried it through the remaining quarters and the yearly sales. We did the same thing for the men. So down here in B33, I have the sum of the amounts above. After that, we calculated what we're calling the grand total, which is just B17 plus B33. So all of those amounts are sitting there ready to go. Now I'm ready to calculate the percentage. So I'm going to type equals, where's my women's total? B17 divided by the grand total, B36. And then I'll press enter on my keyboard. That amount needs to be translated into a percentage. So I'm going to go to my home tab and use my formatting commands there to translate that to a percentage, and then I can carry it through. Once that's done, I can autofill it through column F, and now I'm ready to go down to the men's. I can't autofill it down, that won't work. I have to actually type in the men's percentage. So I'll go down to cell B38 and type equals men's total, which is B33, divided by the grand total, B36, press enter. Again, you should convert that to a percentage and autofill it through the remaining columns. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me.